Hi, we are the Bain family and I am Carl Bain. Along with my wife Judy and our adult family, we own a 38,000 hectare block and lease an adjoining 124,000 hectare in the southwestern Queensland. The country is two-thirds red mulga and one-third flood-out challenge country. It is a low rainfall area with a good diversity of native grasses, browse and mulga trees, which are utilised by livestock for fodder. We have a we love a lot of different aspects of what we achieve and experience on the land we manage. This includes from the soil and plant diversity and health to all different animals involved in our ecosystem. Regenerating our landscape assists in all of this as well as community of people on the property and beyond. Resting our land has been one management tool that has seen our soil and pastures respond in a way that really puts a smile on your dial. By resting our country strategically, we have seen results that include healthy plants, both grasses and trees, and give diversity in species of grasses, which equals a sustainable system. As we have utilised these practices and principles of sustainable and regenerative agriculture, our children have grown up with this knowledge and are replicating it on additional country they have secured. This has meant they have gained an incredible early understanding of not only what caring for country can do, but have the skills in order to do it. So unlike us, who started slightly later in life, the kids have begun these practices from day dot. Part of our goal is to leave a living legacy. Being part of Love to be Bright Green helps us to have the resources and encouragement to achieve and implement this, as now we have 3 generations working together. Our vision over the next 5 years is to continue to expand and improve country through regenerative agriculture principles and help foster healthy, vibrant ecosystems. This results in our business growing sustainably and beyond, both financially and ecologically. Not only is it encouraging to be part of Love to be Bright Green, but we are also mixing with like-minded producers and our message has been understood by interested stakeholders. This has given us recognition for our work in implementing sustainable and regenerative agriculture practices.